Everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to cook chicken in a watermelon. Now I saw this online and I thought it looked really cool, so I'm gonna try it. This is my first try. I've never made this before, so this is going to be fun. I have my seasoned chicken here, and what I am going to do is I'm gonna season it with just a very simple seasoning, but this is actually quite delicious. So it's Caribbean flavors, lemon pepper, and this is just about 2 tablespoons in here. So I'm just gonna throw it in here, and I'm going to mix it all up really good, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare my watermelon to cook my chicken in it. This is going to be fun, guys. Finish mixing up my lemon pepper seasoning, and I just feel as though I should just add just a little bit of black pepper, extra black pepper to my, whoops, that was a little bit too much. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of salt, extra salt. The lemon pepper seasoning already has some salt, but I think that it may need just a little bit more salt. So I'm just going to make sure that it's well mixed together, and then we're going to prepare our watermelon. Okay guys, so while I prepare my watermelon, I'm just going to put my seasoned chicken into the fridge to marinate for a little bit. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is put it on a tray because I don't want to make a mess. I am going to cut like 3/4 from the top because I want to make this part is going to be like a cover, and this part is going to be sort of like a pot or a bowl. So I'm going to cut it this way. Okay, so as I was saying, some people actually cut it in half, but I feel like I'll have more room for my chicken if I were to cut it more to the top. So I'm gonna cut straight down this way. Rah. Right, the first thing you want to do is scoop the inside out. So I have a nice big spoon here. I'm going to scoop the inside out. And you want to keep your bowl somewhere close by. And of course you can make smoothies. This is like the most refreshing drink ever. Some delicious watermelon juice. I'm just going to go ahead and scoop the inside of this one. Okay guys, so my watermelon is ready. So this is the idea. I'm going to put the chicken in here. Then this would be a cover, and this goes on a grill, or it could actually go into your oven. I've seen some people do it, but we are going to do it outdoors, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have my chicken and I'm going to fill all of it into my my watermelon. Like this. Perfect. Okay guys, so just to let you know, the only reason I put a foil at the bottom here is because I punctured the watermelon by mistake. But you shouldn't even have to do that if you don't be as clumsy as I am. Oh wow, it's amazing.